Good morning, students. Today I will discuss the mean or the average value of alternating current. The mean or the average value of alternating current is that value of steady current which, when passed through a circuit for a given time interval, sends, sends the same amount of charge as it is done by AC through the same circuit in half cycle. The mean or the average value of alternating current is calculated over half cycle because for a full cycle the value of average current is 0, because as we have seen in previous video, alternating current is a current which changes periodically with time, its magnitude as well as its direction. So the average value of alternating current over a complete cycle is 0. Now we will find that what will be the mean or the average value of alternating current over half cycle. As we know that the alternating current is given by instantaneous value of alternating current is given by I is equals to I naught sine omega t. If we take this current through the circuit remains constant for a very small time delta t, then the charge sent by the alternating current in this small time will be dq is equals to I dt. Now the charge total charge sent by AC in first half cycle means 0 to capital T by 2. We have to integrate it. Tq is equals to limit 0 to T by 2 and it is I dt, or 0 to T by 2 it is I naught sine omega t dt. So the value of q on integrating dq will get q. I naught is constant, so it is taken outside this bracket. 0 to T by 2 sine omega t dt. Now we know that integration of sine is cos, but it is not sine t dt, actually it is sine omega t. So we have to use the method of substitution. By solving with method of substitution, we will get integration sine omega t as minus cos omega t upon omega t, and the limits is 0 to t by 2. So from here we will get q as minus I naught upon omega cos omega t, and the limits 0 to t by 2. On substituting the value of upper and lower limit respectively, so we will get, because omega can be written as 2 pi by t, so it is minus I naught upon 2 pi t and cos 2 pi capital T limit 0 to t by 2. On further solving we will get I naught t upon 2 pi, it is cos 2 pi t into t by 2, because the upper limit is t by 2, minus cos 2 pi by t into 0, or it is minus I naught t upon 2 pi, this t will cancel t, 2 will cancel 2, and it will be cos 0. So it is cos pi, as we know cos pi is minus 1, so we will get minus 1 minus 1, or it is equal to I naught t upon pi. So the value of q is I naught t upon pi. It can be written as equation number 1. If Im is the average value of alternating current in the first half cycle, then q is equal to Im into t by 2, because the time is t by 2. So this is equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 and 2 we can conclude Im into T by 2 is equals to I naught T upon pi. Here this T will cancel T, so we will get Im is equals to 2 I naught upon pi, or it is 0.637 times of I naught.